It's the Be Real family. Let's start today's video. Come along.
So I found the strength to say it was harder than catching the moon. And when the words fell out, I saw the warmth in the room. So I gathered the strength to lift it, and you picked it up and laid it down, and you picked me up and I am found. It's without a cause. Sometimes it's just because I think we found it. Oh yeah, we found it again. Oh, it never faded, 'cause you created. And then I found the spark in, whoa, the spark in you. Got easier to see it. The glow, it came pulsing this time. So when you really felt it, I saw the flame grow in your eyes. I finally let my guard down, open up the blinds, saw through, open up my heart, you came through. Oh, oh, oh. It's without a cause. Sometimes it's just because I think we found it. Yeah, we found it again. It never faded, 'cause you created. And then I found the spark in, whoa, the spark in you. It never faded, 'cause you created. And then I found the spark in, whoa, the spark.
Loving you, loving you. Prayer after prayer, all my senses drift in the bay. I see you away. Day after day, impatiently, I'm waiting, whispering my wish, loving you. The shore and the waves, the wind in my hair. Birds and whales are singing a prayer. Hold my hand along the way, my love, mitigate my love. When we were younger, we would talk so late and hear the morning music shine through the golden gates. And now I know you're gonna amputate all of my love that's left for you. I don't wanna say mitigate my love, mitigate my love. Oh, mitigate my love, mitigate my love. Mitigate my love, mitigate my love. Oh, mitigate my love, mitigate my love. I know it's easy when you shut me away. I just can't help but think that one day that love will stay. When you were smiling on the 408, I never thought one day you'd ask me to mitigate. Mitigate my love, mitigate my love. Oh, mitigate my love, mitigate my love. Mitigate my love, mitigate my love. Oh, mitigate my love, mitigate my love.
You got me singing.
You got me singing. You got me singing. You got me singing. You got me singing. You got me singing. You got me singing. You got me singing. You got me singing. You got me singing. You got me singing. You got me singing. You got me singing.
You got me singing. You got me singing,
You got me singing. 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 It's a baby bird.
Slow down. Slow your roll. Here. Need some water? Is that what you needed? Huh?
Okay, where's the little birdie? Where's Tweety?
Well, I'll do a check on her. Or, didn't make it.
The 4th day and Tweety didn't make it. Aww.
So I'm going to go bury it by his brother or sister that was out there in the yard. We
Poor
kept it
Tweety.
warm, fed it every few hours. It slept through the night, so
We thought, when they fall from the nest and you can't put it back where mama is, and we left it out there for that long, we thought, okay, maybe an hour or
No, we
two.
left it out there for about 3 hours.
An hour or two go by and the bird was still alive. We thought, okay, it's gonna make it, because usually these birds like this don't make it more than an hour. This is the 4th day, and so it made it to number 4.
It was fine this morning. That's better.
Yep.
I'm gonna go better besides the other one. Okay, we're going to close it out here. Stay positive, stay real. Don't let no one tell you that you can't do anything. Just be yourself. Put a smile on your face. Love you. Peace. See ya.